at the heart of our shared humanity. Let us draw inspiration from the timeless wisdom of past generations and chart a course towards a future where the aspirations of humanity for peace, justice, and prosperity are realized.
Thus, to set aside differences and work towards common goals, guided by the principles it is our shared responsibility to build bridges, cultivate understanding, and seek common new solutions that transcend nations' interests for the collective well-being of humanity.
In Alexandria, I am truly honored to be referred to as a founding father of this committee, alongside my brother Yasin Hatem Muhammad Salah al-Din Abu Risha.
Everyone has changed me. From a shy, easily intimidated girl, we're going to talk in front of literally 10 people, to a secretary general talking in front of all of you guys.